Hello, wonderful people all over the world. You're welcome back to KSD Tech Concept. I present this to you, Essentially Samuel. So today, we're going to do a little design. There is one invitation we're about to do. So, in continue of our learning, as I used to tell you, the more you learn, the better you become. The more practice you do, the perfect you are. So you keep on learning, keep on practicing, keep on making progress every day by day. All right. So you don't have to back on the way. So I have to try to give you this word of encouragement. So you continue learning. These are part of what we have done in this account. The other account I use. These are not what we did over there. So all these things you see here, we are done using this Canva. So you yourself can also likewise do it. Apart from this one, these two. So these two are not done here. So but um, I do one thing here. That is why you are seeing it here. This is the original one. On this one, I do resizing here. So for you to do resizing, like any image, you want to resize it to fit what you want to make use of it for. So you can stay here and do the resizing. So if you click on this create a design, you can see design over there. So the one thing you have to notice is that anytime you want to make use of your Canva, you have to have internet access, so for you to be able to access it. So that is one of the tools you'll be making use of, the internet. So you have to be internet enabled. Your internet have to be on for you to be able to operate with your Canva. So you can use your phone. Whatever thing I'm doing here is also doing on phone. So the previous one we have been doing it with phone. So I decided to use a system to teach you people, that some of you that has system, you can likewise use your system to do your design. Okay, so that will give you enabling environment for you to be able to be moving all the whole element the way you want. When you are making use of your phone, you'll be using your hand to be taking it anywhere you want. So but with the help of a PC, computer, your desktop, you can be able to use your mouse and move the tools, the elements wherever you want it to be. So today we're going to do a flyer, an invitation flyer, like invitation. This is an example of invitation. You can decide to choose from here, or if you have specification, you can choose, as I have already explained all those things here. So before we go there, this is what I wanted to show you, that resize. That resize. Okay, you can see resize when you have started the work already. When you open your thumbnail or any of these things to start work, you can see resize in the work. So for instance, this page, as you can see this page right now, so by looking up here, you can see resize. So if I want to resize this page now, once I click on this resize, it will open up for me to choose the size I want it to be. So this is the original size. If I want to reduce it, I can put the size of the width, height, then select this. I have already explained all this for you, the PS, IN, mm, cm. So all these things are units of measurement, which you can, depending on the one that have been preferable for you to use for your designing. So that is the one you're going to select. But I myself, I prefer using pixel, because pixel will give you those tiny things. It helps to give you more good job when you are zooming in, especially when you are designing for big flyer of that or banner of flags. So that is why this pixel is very important if you're making use of pixel. So it give you like I hope you people know graph. Those box you used to see in your graph, that is what this pixel is representing. You get it? Sorry, sorry. Okay, so we continue. As I told you, just do once you have opened up your Canva with your app, or when you come over to your browser, you can decide to use browser to do it, or you can decide to use the app to do it, whatever, whichever way you decide to go with. So once you have come to your browser, you can just type in go to either type www, that is 3w dot canva canva.com. You get it? So you search, or you just type like my own. I don't even bother putting in www. I will just type direct canva.com. So once you type canva.com, it will open the site for you. So you put in your email address. Oh sorry, my w is 4w, not 3w. I have 4w here, so that is why the thing said it can't be reached. Okay, so when you are typing, make sure you, especially on this search bar, here is search bar, when you are putting any site web, make sure you put the correct something, because if you didn't put the correct word that is attached to that site, it will divert you to another place. So that is the one thing you have to know when you want to search direct, except if you want to use the Google search. And if you give Google some part of the word, the Google will help you do the searching for you. So you cannot choose from the what the Google will give you out, like this thing now. I can put Canva. I can decide to put Canva. This exists. Sorry, I wanted to show you something. So I can decide to use Google search by putting Canva only without putting .com. If I put Canva, I will search. So the Google will now bring out, because it knows that this is going to referring to that site. We will bring out a lot of options concerning this Canva. Then I cannot select from it. So make sure you have your network is well enabled. My network is a bit slow, so that is why you are seeing this. So as the thing is loading, let's be using the one we have already opened to be explaining what we have. Once it's done, I can open and show you what is there. So here, what you are going to do is for you to pick what you want to do. If what you want to do is in the list of this great, once you click on this, when you open your own, you are going to see the same thing here. Create a new design. So once you click on create a design, or you can decide to pick from anyone here, anyone you decided to. So once you click on create design, this option will come up, and if this is what we are looking for, you can just quickly select any of them without you bothering putting the figures. You get it? If it is flyer, you see this one now, flyer. Here is flyer that is measured in that is millimeter. So as that one is loading, let's check if this one has opened. Well, this one haven't opened yet. Okay, haven't opened yet. For the flyer, so let's open for Facebook cover page. You see here is for Facebook cover page. Let's open that one too. So you see different designing page. You can select for whatever thing you want to design for. Just that my network is a bit slow, that is why you are seeing this thing. It's supposed to be going faster than this. So let me check what is wrong with my network. All right. Okay, as you can see here, the Google have helped me, and as you can see here, I put Canva here. So with the help of Google, he said he have found 1 trillion 190 billion results. under 0.3 seconds. So these are the results that you have found. So if this is what I'm looking for, you see this is the Canva Direct. So I can decide to click from here to open it in a new tab. I can decide to click from here, so you can see if I'm still looking, assuming that this is not what I'm looking for, that it blocked in the first line. So I can decide to go down to check for more informations on what I'm searching for. So that is it on how to locate your Canva using the web. You get it? So if it is your app, you can just go straight to your app and open it. So let's close that one. So let's now check out the ones we have opened for the different this thing. They are still loading, sha. So let's go back to home. We have opened for Facebook cover page. That is your Facebook cover. That's back after your profile picture. That's that back one. That is what this thing is representing. Um, and we have logo, we have a poster, portrait. I hope you know the portrait here, the landscape and portrait. Like this Facebook post, this one is landscape. So that is, it will be like this. It will be in rectangular form. That is how you are going to see anyone that is in a landscape will be in a rectangular form, in a rectangular shape. So if it is portrait, it will be in your phone format, like your normal phone, that longer side. I hope you can see what I'm drawing on your screen. So that is it for selecting those ones here. So but you can, if you know what you want to design quickly, you can easily come down. Once you click create the design, you can just scroll down to custom size. You click on it. Once you click on custom size, it will load. After loading, you now be able to put the size of what you want to make your design to be. You see it here. So this is the size. This size is for A3, A5. That small handbill you used to have, A5 is what it represents. So you can also go to your Google and type for any size you want to. If you don't know the actual size in pixel, so you can go to your Google and make search, say Google help me find what is the size of this paper size. So once you get it, you put it here and click on create new design. So that is how the starting. So as the thing is loading, it will be loading from here. So once it's done loading, a template will automatically pick on. So that is why I leave this, so you can see how the thing will automatically switch. So it will switch for me to select a template to use for this design. See, it's coming up now. You can see the page is loading. So can you see the page is loading, still loading. Network is a bit slow. Okay, can you see here are the templates. You see here, you see the template here. So the template is loading. You see the template is loading for me to choose. So if I don't want the template, I can decide to continue my work like this and start picking the elements. See the element here, these are the elements. I can pick anything from this element. These are the tools, as I have explained all these things. So in your phone, it will be in the bottom of your phone, but using the laptop, it will be by the left hand side, as I explained to you that time in the introduction. If you haven't watched the introduction video, you can watch the introduction video to Canva. So let's quickly dive right to what we have today. So this, you can just choose, you can select from this template, then edit to your text. It's loading. So you choose the template that suits or look a bit like what you want to do, so that the editing you are going to do will not be much again. You get it? So you just do a little bit editing, maybe from the text, no more changing of the background again. So but if you wish to start from the scratch, you can decide to pick from the background here. See background below the text, or you can click on this app for you to uh, search for additional things that will be here. So just that my network is a bit slow, so you can bear with me, so that, and it's making this video to be going more longer than it's supposed to. So for this one, this is the template for that portrait. You see, for that flyer that I clicked before, this is A4 size. You can see it here. You can also edit it and put the name of the work we are doing here. So you can put anything as the name. As well do. So this is the one for the portrait flyer, and this one here is the one of landscape for that Facebook. It has got blank again because of network. Is a bit frustrating it. So but I will show you once it is back. Okay, here is it for the Facebook cover. You see it. So I can decide to choose the template of this one and edit it easily. You can see. So this is the template I decide to choose now. So all these things are editable. All of them are editable. So we can edit this one quickly for this Facebook, and you will see that we have made our Facebook cover page. So you can start from the Facebook cover, put it the name you want, maybe your name. The network is a bit slow. So as you can see here, I have put it my training. So here you can input your logo. You can get your logo from Upload. You get your logo and put here. Then for this one is editable also. If you don't want it, you can delete it. So let's be doing fast. Okay, putting this one here. So for here, you know, when I'm showing you of the one of your phone, all these texts, they were below. So but in your PC, your working tools is up here and this side, here and here, whereas in your mobile phone it will be below. So you get those things below. All right, so don't be confused, they are all the same. So the only thing you need is for you to be picking what you want to do. So for this one, your fonts are here, so you choose the font you wishes to use from here. This is the size, the color, bold, italic, underline, the capital letter. You see the thing have changed to capital letter. Then the where you want it to start from, your paragraphing, if it is from the left, center, justify, anyone you wish. This one is your breathing, your breathing. So with this you can use it to so sorry for that. So here I can decide to choose any of these text that I want, the font that I want here. All these ones with this king symbol by the side is showing premium, so you can make use of it if you are using free Canva. So if you haven't gotten your free Canva, you can DM me, so that on my DM you can type Canva, so you get your own for yourself, lifetime Canva you can be using for your design. So you'll be able to make use of any templates, any font, anything that has this pro sign upon. you can be able to be using it for lifetime. All right, so I can decide to choose this. So anyone that you choose, it will load here. After loading, it will take effect. See, once you are ticking here good, that means the effect is taking place. So I can see it's taking good. So the effect is taking place. Then as we have shown you all these ones, I can decide to maneuver, add effect to make it to look more attractive while looking at it. This is having outline. Then decides to increase the outline. See, as I'm increasing it, the outline is coming up more. So you can decide to change the color here, put the color you want. Oh, this video is getting longer and we haven't done anything yet. So let me choose this. Okay, if you want to increase it, maybe by the side, you can decide to use here or use this arrow here. Click, hold and drag. If you click, hold and drag, it will be increasing it for you. You get it? You use this clause to move it anywhere you want to take it to. Once you have taken your cursor to it, you use it to drag it to anywhere you want it to go. You can see, you use it to drag it anywhere you want to go. So as you can see, I can decide to change this logo to put whatever thing I want to put. You can decide to increase this font here. Okay, this one. So we have this one. You edit to meet to your text. Edit to meet to your desire or your aim of designing. So the creative business agency. So we provide services like web design, creative idea, sales marketing, business development, Facebook ad, snail farming. So all these things are what we do. So you can say, okay, depending on what you want, your aim of designing, you can put, if you are selling this, you can say buy now, assuming that this is selling. So you can buy now or order now. Buy now or order now. So you put your details, your contact details to anywhere you want it to put. So +23 +234 8068 935127. Alright. So this is the contact you can contact. You can message to get your Canva Pro. So you can also visit our website if you want to visit our website. Our website is still under development. So like this is the example, you edit it to your text. Okay, this is www.ksdigitalconcept.com.ng. So you can see, you can visit our website. So this is just what you have to put your time down, practice them over and over and over again. You get it? So the more you practice, the better you become. So this picture here, I can replace this picture. So once you click on the picture, you go to your gallery, you can pick this image you are seeing here. I got this image using AI tool. This image is not a human being, so I use text combinations to get this image you are seeing here. So this image, I use text combination to get it. So that is the function of AI tools. So if you want to get if you want to know about this session where you can use command to generate any image of your choice, so you can also type message me on this number too. You can also message me on the number. When you are messaging me, refer it as a AI tools. So I have where you can get any AI tools you want, over 1,700 and something AI tools that can do different work for you. So if you are interested on getting the AI, you can also drop AI in message. When you drop your message, you say AI, so I will know that you are referring to AI. You get it? So this is what we do. So you can do well. This is the back cover of our Facebook. We want to use it to our Facebook. As we see, this is a training. So for this video, it's getting more longer. You can put more time, practice and practice and practice, and get things more better. You get it? So you have a lot of elements here which you can use to add to bring more beauty to your work. It's loading. So as you can see, these are the recent one I have used. That is what you're going to see on your own. The first thing you're going to see is your recent use, then followed by the line shape. Even in your phone, the same way it will show. So followed by graphics, followed by stickers, then photos, videos. So if you want to do a video or compile a video or make a video for your business, from here you can pick a stock video you can use for your business. But for you to use a stock one, that means you have to be in the pro. So if you are in pro, it will help you to use the pro tools to work, and it will make your work more professional. You get it? So let's choose you can likewise search for the elements through this search bar. Whatever thing you are looking for, you make a reference to it. So what should I search now? These are the some recent search that I did, so and what it brings us for me. So if I should search for this orange graphics, orange something, so let's see what is going to bring out for us. It's loading. All right, I just type orange here. As you can see, different varieties of orange, different formats of orange. So everything different of orange. So you are seeing all of them here. So this is samples of what you can search. Remember I told you that you have to put your data on for you to be able to make use of this. Your data have to be on, so you can be able to do well and search anyone you like. You just click on it, or if it is with your phone, you can also touch it or drag it to where you want. Understand? So you see this one I've entered here, so I can do with it what I wishes. So you can see below here, you are seeing education, because this is my account sign up for teaching. You get it? So your own, you can see pro, because you're a student. Understand? So but if you need also this type of my own, you can also get it. Just DM me, let's talk, so you get to business. You get it? All right, can you see the orange? What I did to it, I just reduce the opacity, that is the transparency here. You can see I reduce it here. So this is the initial one. You see it? So I reduce it down, down. So you can see it has added the effect to what I have here. Then the other one, the other orange, I also reduce the opacity, place it some places. So these are how you are going to get some resources. Anything you want, you can just type it there and it will appear in your design. So click on the one you want. If you want to reduce the size, click on the node, drag it to the side you want it to go. You see, as I'm dragging this one down, so it's becoming smaller. You can see. So this is it. Then I can use the plus to move it to wherever I want it to be. So if I assume that it is up that I want it to be, I will take it to up. So if I have something, let me say, if I need to change something that I want it to be, some of these elements, you can change the color, while some, the color is not changeable. You can't change the color. So depending on any one that you selected, you get it. So as you can see, this I can add text and put top here. So our video is getting longer. We can end this here. Just what you have to bear in mind is you have to continue practicing. The more you practice, the better you become. The more you practice, the better you become. So keep on practicing and make yourself a better graphic designer. All right. Source none. Oh, sorry. So you can see here I have added cells here using this one as a background to it. So, and this has a lot of different other colors. You can decide to add a lot of things depending on what you want to design. You get it. So that is how to go about making your flyers or making your Facebook to become more professional, by adding your services as the back cover to your Facebook profile. You get it. So that is how to develop your Facebook inside of it. So do well to like and subscribe, share to others for them to be imparted, and do well to chat us so we can be able to give you the necessary pro version that you will need to excel on these services. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.